Hello, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Power Watchdog. I picked this unit up. I think it's pretty nice. You can monitor it with your phone. It's got Bluetooth capability. This is the model PWD50-EPO, whatever the EPO is. But it seems a lot of good write-ups on it, a lot of good reviews. They've been around for a while. It's actually from Hughes Autoformers. Got a warranty on it. Nice packaging. This is the 50 amp. I'm not sure I'll need 50 amp, but might as well go bigger. And they make another one that's a hardwired. Actually, you put inside of your coach and you hardwire it. It's a little bit cheaper, but I don't know how long I'm going to keep this one. I'm hoping to get 4 years out of this RV. I plan on switching this. So anything I get, I want to try to be able to take it out. Now this is going to go inside. It's going to get mounted up on inside of the wall where my power cord comes in. I'm not going to leave this sit outside. If I burn an extension cord up, so be it, but it's cheaper than replacing one of these if they get stolen. So it's pretty nice. Nice box. Got off Amazon, $250 I believe it was. 50 bucks. It's got allows you to monitor park power conditions on your smartphone or tablet. Notifies your phone if any abnormal power conditions occur. Automatically disconnects the RV should dangerous conditions occur. The Watchdog automatically restarts when conditions are safe. Full description of fault conditions appear on your phone. That's nice. You can just click on your phone and see what happens. It tells you when you lose power. That way you don't lose your food in your refrigerator or what have you. Code appears on the Watchdog unit, so the code actually appears on the unit somewhere. When I open it up, I guess we'll take a look. At the first sign of trouble, the Watchdog's face will turn red. So when you plug this in, this is white. And then if there's an issue, it turns red. So this will tell you, and you get the notification on your phone. That's pretty nice. Got a phone number on the box. That's where you get your app from, which I'm going to do here in a minute. That's pretty nice. It's worth the money. You know, don't go cheap on something like this, because all RV parks are different. Even if you plug into somebody's house on a 110, this is still good to have. You're only running 15 amp, but hey, if it drops below 104, I believe it shuts off, and if it goes to 132, it shuts off at a high point. Pretty nice though. Made in America, I hope. Man, I bought a camera system. Won't record. Junk. TPS system, tire monitor pressure system. One of the caps that you put on your tire there that monitors it constantly wants to tell me there's 113 pounds of pressure in my tire, blinking. I can't set it. It says it's 113 when I unplug it. So, I don't know. It's a problem with buying online. Then I got to deal with sending it back. Here's your error codes. All the way up to 9. Voltage error, overcurrent, overcurrent. Tells you if it's reversed, if it's missing a ground, missing neutral at the coach. Surge protection used. Yeah, that's what it's going to look like on the phone. Looks pretty simple. Tells you your watt, your energy, volt, amp. Oh, nice. Tells me how many amps. That's nice. Amps are nice to have. Your 12 volt battery can say 12 volt, but there's nothing in it. Oh damn, it's got Velcro. That's pretty nice. Box, there she is. She's pretty big. Wow. I did not realize the size of that. There's a little meter right there that tells you everything. Sweet. She's pretty hefty. Yeah, see, I got the 50. So there's my plugs. Plug it just like this if you were to put it up on a pedestal at your park, but I'm not doing that. It's going in. So I'll probably mount it sideways because of the wires are so thick. Yeah, built pretty good. plastic. Now it is waterproof, but I don't think you can submerge it. You know, don't submerge this in water. Try to run it off a boat. You can probably use it on a boat. Just make sure it don't get wet. There's all the. I wonder what this runs just on its own. How much wattage it takes. Oh, no, it says made in China. What the hell? We probably invented it and sold it to them. Probably would happen. That's what normally happens. And they get all the credit and make it cheaper. That's pretty nice. Am I missing something? An empty spot. That's probably for the hardwired one. Oh, looks like they got some stickers here. Protected by Power Watchdog. Guard dog on duty. It's a pretty neat little sticker. I'll stick on my window. Still think it's an alarm system. Nobody will even know what the hell this thing is. Oh, nice. Nice. Come on. Yeah, that's the model number for the 50, and that's for the 30. I went with 50. You never know. Might run into a 50 amp pole somewhere. But I have adapters. I can drop this all the way down to 110. Or a 15 amp. That's all I'm plugged into right now is 15 amp, just to keep my fridge going. Solar does everything else, charges my batteries. Over under voltage protection. Should the voltage drop to 104 below or rise to 132 volts or higher, power to the RV is turned off. They've been around for 25 years. Analyze the park power. Yeah, no, yeah, you gotta do that. Check your phone, see how many amps you're drawing, and more importantly. Power Watchdog is warranted for 3 years. The Power Watchdog IP65 rated for outdoor use. The unit will operate fine without using the app. So you don't need the app. But I mean, you got a phone, you might as well. I mean, you can just click on it. You know what you're pulling. You know what wattage you're running. I'll run this inline through my solar because I don't have a Bluetooth control module. Spit that out 5 times fast. So I can just monitor it with this. I'll just go into the solar, come out of the solar and into this, and then into the coach. And I can monitor what my solar is pushing. This is for both of them now. This is for the PWD50-EPO and the PW50-EPO. Operating content, of course, 3050. Maximum watt for the 30 is 3600 watts. PW50 is 12,000 watts. So that's why I went with the bigger one. Joules. Maximum spike current, 6500 amp. Input voltage range 100 to 145. Output voltage range is 104 to 132. Those are time delay for AC, 90 seconds. Reverse polarity check, it's got that. Good. Power indicator, error code, window phone. Warranty 3 years. Corrosion resistant, easy. Seems pretty easy. Plug it in. I gotta download that app. Start making sure the park power is in now position. Yeah, I think most people know how to do this. Always plug this in first. Well, make sure your breaker is off at the pole in the park. Turn that off. Plug this in. Turn this on. Let this do its thing. You'll hear it go clunk. And once it does that, it's ready to go. Then you plug your RV in. Let this thing do its thing first before you just go slamming it in. You exceeded 103 towards 104. don't know if you guys can read any of this, but it's got overcurrent, line 2 overcurrent, line 1 neutral reversed, line 2 neutral reversed. Line 2 neutral reversed is for 50 amp only. I would just go with a 50, spend the money, get the 50. Then we don't have to worry about anything. You'll always have that extra power, I guess. Download the app. Yeah, plug the unit to shore power. Make sure Watchdog face turns white. Otherwise, you have a power line issue. Talk to your park manager. That's a no bueno. I'll tell you. You got a name for the product. Alright. Well, hey. If you guys liked and enjoyed it, this is a very good investment for anybody that's RVing. You don't want to lose power. You don't want to have a fire. I've said before in my other videos that I had a fire one time and lost a lot of stuff. So it makes you in a prevention mode. I got smoke alarms all over this thing. It's not bad. But there you go. I'm going to hook this thing up. Any questions? Maybe I'll make a video of the installation, because this is going to get mounted inside the RV. And I'll run my other cable from this. I don't want this outside. I don't want it getting stolen. Oh, well, look at that. You can put a padlock on it. That's what this is for, so nobody steals it. I'll put a padlock on it inside, and I'll mount it inside. Yeah, there you go. Watchdog. Powered by Hughes. Crazy. This thing is stout. Thank you. Subscribe. Enjoy my video, and a lot more to come. I took a little trips here. Just didn't record them. I'll start doing that. Just trial and error with this RV. Getting the bugs out of it. But she's doing pretty good. Well, thanks again. Like, subscribe. Later.